This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Vanon Pro. These are these come in a 2-pack, but you can buy them individually. 20-volt lithium-ion batteries with 6 amp hours for Craftsman power tools. A lot of people got these Craftsman power tools and have a nice little battery monitor back here, and you don't want to spend a lot of money for Craftsman batteries, which in my experience don't work as well as the aftermarket batteries in some cases. So this is a good aftermarket option. 6 amp hour, a little bit smaller than what you see a 6 amp hour battery to be sometimes as well. A little bit more capacity, should work really well with these Craftsman tools. So I'm going to take them outside and grab one of my Craftsman tools, and we'll work on showing you how these batteries work here next. Alright, here is an engine that I need to take some bolts off of. So I've hooked this battery to this Craftsman tool here. Locks in. You got your power right there. Plenty of power, and I'll show you here. To break stuff loose and take it off, and then if you want to tighten it back up, you're good to go. So works really well. Again, 6 amp hour. I have another 6 amp hour that's about 1.5 times the size of this. So if this is truly a 6 amp hour, it's 1.5 times the size and a little bit less weight wise, so you can store them a little bit easier and last just the same amount of time. Alright guys, that's everything on these Vanon batteries. Should work really well for your Craftsman tools. And like I said, I think these aftermarket batteries are just as good or better than the regular Craftsman batteries from my experience. I have a regular Craftsman battery that doesn't work very well on my impact, and all the aftermarket batteries that I've tried out, including these, are just fine. So thank you again very much for watching. Hopefully you found it helpful and informative, and I will catch y'all on the next video.